Welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be doing the Sharingan explained. Sharingan, Copy Wheel Eye, Heaven's Eye, Tengan, Mirror Wheel Eye. The Sharingan literally means the Copy Wheel Eye, so I guess you can infer on what it does from that. The Sharingan is a Dojutsu Kekkei of the Uchiha clan that appears selectively among its members. It is regarded as one of the three great dojutsu, being the Byakugan and the Rinnegan. When its power originally was from Kaguya Otsutsuki's Rinne Sharingan, it's independent from its first manifestor by Indra Otsutsuki. I don't know why I said Otsutsuki like that. When a wielder of this Kekkei experiences a powerful emotion condition with the rewards to this person's precious to them, or conditions with regards to a person precious to them, their brain releases a special form of chakra that affects their optic nerves, transforming their eyes into the Sharingan. For that reason, the Sharingan is described as an eye that reflects the heart. Often as a for the Uchiha's so-called curse of hatred, this is a negative emotion, one brought on by stress or loss. The emotion can be positive, driven by a desire to protect or reunite with a loved one. In the anime, it was shown that usually after the first acquiring this power, the user I can't read. I'm gonna start over. In the anime, it was shown that usually after the first acquiring this power, the user's enhanced perception will throw off their timing, causing them to overstress their bodies from trying to keep up with their increased reaction time, forcing them to adjust to properly move with it. A higher control of one's chakra is also required to maintain it for long periods of time. It is also shown during an emotional state that begin to trigger Sharingan's awakening. It can temporarily blur the person's eyes. Assuming that the user is aware of the Sharingan's awakening, they are able to freely use it. When the first awaken, each Sharingan usually will only have one Tomoe, although in some cases they immediately gain two Tomoe in each of their eyes through emotional growth of extreme conditions. The Sharingan will continue to develop its full manifestation I can't read, by a third Tomoe. When Hagoromo awakened the Sharingan in the anime, he had all three Tomoe immediately. All the Sharingan's abilities are available to the users from its earliest stage, but with greater development comes greater policies with those abilities. Example, with the full matured, the Sharingan's abilities perceive all targets and events around them in slow motion. They can cause users' moves to dramatically differ from their early moments if their Sharingan matured mid-battle. As with any dojutsu, Sharingan can be transplanted into non-Uchihas. They are unable to deactivate it. It's used as a greater chakra diminished from them than an actual Uchiha who needs only minimal chakra to keep it activated. For these reasons, non-Uchiha tend to cover their Sharingan when they aren't using it in order to conserve chakra. How does that even work? Like, just covering it? Sharingan that originate from the same Uchiha are still linked to some extent, even when the wielder separated users. At times, those users are able to see the same things. Abilities. The Eye of Insight. The Eye of Hypnosis. Although these abilities are not literally restricted to certain eyes, Madara Uchiha noticed that the Sharingan can only be useful its full potential when both eyes are together. Even within two categories, there exist several distinct, though similar abilities. The Eye of Insight. The user can see chakra, giving it color in order to distinguish it by its composition and source. Okay, that's all. I'm tired. Bye.